welcome back. We're gonna show you how to fillet a couple salmon today. Today we got two nice coho salmon, fresh caught, state of Washington, right here. We're gonna get 4 nice fillets, and we're gonna use our sharp knife here. We use a Rapala knife, but you can use anything. Make sure it's super sharp. And we're gonna show you how to do this quickly so you can get this done. All right, so here we go with our first salmon. I'm gonna slice it at an angle, 30-degree angle, right through. And then we're gonna turn our blade literally parallel to the backbone, 90 degrees. And you're just gonna slice it right down. Just let the knife just do all the work. And voila, there we go. Beautiful fillet. Turn the fish right over. We're gonna do the same thing, 30-degree angle. Turn the blade. Boom, just like that. Got another beautiful fillet. See, 2 fillets right there. We're gonna do the same thing. Hey, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like. We appreciate it. And we do the same thing. This one's a little bit smaller, so it's a little easier. There it is. And one more time. Slice it up. Turn the blade. Just run it right down the backbone. And this one we went right by the fin right there, so we're just gonna cut it right there. Voila, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And everybody, thanks for subscribing. Have a good day.